Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create secure folder Samsung Galaxy. So at first need to install this. I'm already installed. So I'm provide how can easily set up. Open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, scroll down, more security settings, and showing it to first option secure folder. At first unlock because I'm already set up. So click on to lock type and you just easily set pin, password, pattern, fingerprint as you like. So like I'm select pattern. So now successfully set. Now I'm check. So when I'm try to open, need to unlock. So that's it.